Hey everyone, Ashish Sani this side from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am back again with another exciting video with the firmware development using the bare metal code. As you may have seen in our last video that how we did the blinking of LED using the bare metal code. So today is the upgrade version of that. So basically today what we are gonna do is we will generate the patterns with multiple LEDs using the bare metal code. So in short, if I'll say, we will be using multiple LEDs with multiple GPIOs and we'll understand that how you can control or use multiple GPIOs to do whatever functionalities you want to do. So this is all that I'll be covering up today. I hope you're really excited. So let's straightforward go to the coding and the circuitry part so that we will start executing and learning the things. So let's move ahead. So guys, you can see we have made the connection of your ESP32 with the three LEDs, which are the 5 mm red LEDs using a 1 kilo ohm resistor. And one more thing you can notice here is that I am using a 400 points breadboard and I'm using the ESP32 which I have placed on the breadboard, and after placing it I can see one line like left right on both the sides so that you can connect any external components if you want to connect. So this is what we have. If you want to purchase this one, you can check the link in the bio. And also you can see I have connected three LEDs. I have connected the positive terminal along with the GPIO, and on the other side the negative terminal to the resistor, and then resistor to the ground. This is how we have made the connection. And the GPIO pins which I am using in here is this LED is connected with GPIO pin number 2, or you can say this is connected to the inbuilt LED pin as well. Next, we are connecting it to the GPIO pin number 4. So this one is connected to GPIO pin number 4. This one is connected to GPIO pin number 5. So in this way, we have connected the three LEDs to the three different GPIO pins and then to the ground through the resistor. So this is how we have made the connections. Now let's move to the coding part. Alright guys, so now you can see this is the program that we have written in our last video where we simply started blinking the LED using the bare metal code. Now in the last video, as you guys have got a clarity that how you can control a GPIO pin just to turn on or turn off the LED. Now in today's video, let's move one step ahead by controlling multiple GPIO pins. So for that, what exactly you have to do is, just like we have done in our last video, you can see we were just simply defining a single GPIO pin to control it, but this time we will use three GPIO pins and we will try to control them one by one, right? So just let's do one thing. Let's define two more pins and I'll give it a name as GPIO 1 and GPIO 2. And the pin number that I will define will be like GPIO 2, GPIO 4, GPIO 5. So I'll be using three GPIO pins, GPIO 2, GPIO 4, GPIO 5. This is how I'll be doing it. And as we have already seen how we set the value, how we clear the value of a GPIO pin with respect to the register where we are setting up the value for that. That's what we have already seen. Now also we have seen how we create the delay and how we create the rest of the things that we have already covered up in our last video. If you are unable to understand like what I am explaining, what we have done in the last video, then I'll recommend you just watch the last video and then come to this video so that you will have the clarity what exactly we are doing and from where these register values come and from where like this set and clear things are coming, right? Like how this is happening. So this is what you will get in the previous video. Now let's move ahead. So just scroll down. These things we don't have to change. This will be as it is like we did in the last video. Similarly, this one will remain the same for GPIO pin number 1.
if you are going to use a single LED. But let's say if you are moving towards the multiple GPIO pins, then you can't do it directly like this. Then in that case, you have to put an OR operation, or you can say pipe. So for that, just simply copy it, paste it, paste it. Same thing will have to do for GPIO pin number 1 and GPIO pin number 2, because we are just simply defining that we are going to use 3 GPIO pins as an output pins, and that's what we are setting up using the GPIO enable register. So this is what we have set up for all the 3. And our today's agenda is that we are going to turn on a one LED on and off. Similarly, we'll do it for the rest of the 2, but that will be done one by one. So it's like first LED will be performing the blinking, rest 2 will be off. Now first and the last will be remaining off, and the middle one will be performing the blinking, then the last one and the remaining will be off. So this is how we'll be doing. So GPIO pin will turn on the LED, then turn off the LED. Similarly, we'll repeat this process for the second pin, and that is GPIO 1, GPIO 1. So this will set it, this will clear it. Similarly, we'll perform it for the third one, that is GPIO 2 and GPIO 3. So this is, sorry, not 3, GPIO 2 only, means our third GPIO pin, right? So let me also define that I am doing it for GPIO number 2, right? This is for GPIO 2. This one is for GPIO 4, and this one is for GPIO 5. So this is how I'm just simply setting it up. The rest of the code will remain as it is. We don't have to make any further changes. Let me change it. Patterns on LEDs. So this is what we are doing. So we are generating patterns, and this is how we have defined 3 different pins, and this is how we are just doing it completely. Now that we are done with the coding part, just simply go in here and just flash the code. So just flash the code, and let's see whether we are able to perform how we want it or not. So let's do it. So the code is uploaded successfully. Now let's see how it's working. Alright guys, so now you can see that the LEDs are blinking with respect to the pattern that we have set. First LED is blinking, then second LED, then third LED. So this process is repeating again and again. So this is how we have like controlled, or you can say we managed to control 3 different GPIO pins using an LED, right? So this is what we have done. So you can see everything is working perfectly.
So that's all for today. I hope you have loved today's video and you want to see more videos like this. If you have liked this video, do click on the like button, and if you are new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Also, you can feel free to leave a comment below for any of your suggestions or any questions or queries regarding the topic. So this was it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.